I think trashing crops is effective in the sense that it sends a huge message to everybody. The public basically supports it because they don't want to eat GM food either.
I believe that there's a load of known and unknown risks associated with these crops, and it's a completely unnecessary technology. I also feel that we should be moving towards a form of agriculture which is more working in harmony with nature.
Wheat's spreading genetic contamination into the countryside and we've got to get rid of it, simple as that.
For the sake of our organic farmers and for those who have pollen allergies.
It's a new technology. We don't know enough about it to release it into the environment. It's irreversible once it's in the environment.
What we're doing today is we're trying to destroy the crop. We're wearing decontamination suits so that we don't contaminate the outside areas.
Syngenta should not be using open field trial testing on GM wheat here, especially since there are fields with farmers with conventional wheat for human consumption just down the road in farms nearby.
I don't want my children eating bread with these contaminants in there. I think it's gone a step too far. It's always been too far, but this is taking a real liberty with people's health, people's future, people's food security. I just want to do everything I can to make sure that it doesn't actually get into general acceptance within our society.
I think it's very important, now that the GM farm scale trials have been taken in, that people need to know that there are still experimental GM crop trials in our countryside.
A lot of people came here today. It really shows public opposition to GM crops, and it shows other people what's possible, that they can come out and do the same thing.
This is an organic loaf of bread. It's locally produced using local labour, and that's what we're supporting. We're supporting local farmers, not biotech industry research and development sites that are poisoning our land. It's for organic agriculture.
So what actually have you done? Just tell me as you walk.
Well, we totally removed their seed trial of GM wheat, genetically modified wheat. They had a little plot there and we've just killed 100% of it. I don't know how many thousands of pounds that's going to cost them, but it's going to set back their plans to make GM wheat around the world. And with a little bit of direct action, a few people who've wiped out their chances. Going to have to wait another year. So that's stopping it from going around Britain and going around the world, slowing it down a bit longer. Syngenta's GM wheat. It's not resistant to protesters. We got it.
Okay.